Nobody will guess the 50-cent supply I'm using to make these expensive-looking Christmas ornaments. Today, we're making cupcake liner ornaments. Grab your things ready and let's get creative together. That's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Easy and Crafty YouTube channel for more fun crafty videos. See you next time!